So what's unique about the conference this year in Manila is it's the third year that we've gotten the team together. What I've really enjoyed seeing is that the team are the same people who were here last year, and their friendships and connections are genuine. There's not a lot of need for us to be running and leading the group. They're breaking out individually, having their own conversations and catching up on what they've been up to over the past year. We love the fact that the team do have the ability to work remotely, but they do miss out on some of those intimate and close conversations, and coming back to Manila gives us a chance to do that. The other thing we've added to the program this year is, rather than a traditional team building activity, we've decided to do an outreach program with the local orphanage. It's been fantastic to not only be able to give back in Sydney through Enough is Enough, but now be able to give back in Philippines to a cause that our team support and chose. We were able to go and spend the afternoon in the orphanage, as well as do a monetary donation to help them with some renovations that are desperately needed so that they can pass their upcoming accreditations.
So my first ever conference here in our Birdie Conference here in Manila is very exciting because there was a lot in our itinerary. And of course, for the first time, I have seen my co-workers in Birdie. And then it was a totally different experience just because I get to learn more about the team, especially from the ones in Sydney. It was my first time seeing them too, aside from pod meetings every morning. And then, yeah, it was nice. It was very organized, and I'm really looking forward to our next PH trip.
I was looking forward to the bond that we will be having for this year, especially that we have 3 new staff from the Philippines. And more importantly, I'm also looking forward to this Intramuros tour because it will not only make us enjoy the tour, but Aussies will learn more about us Filipinos because this is a historical place.